Well, I think the conference.
Question 2. What sessions would you choose to attend?
Well, I choose the sessions of the organization inside of a company and the relationship with the co-workers.
Question 3. Would you like to attend networking sessions? Why?
I like because you can the opportunity to get a better relationship with the co-workers and know some people that you have known in the past.
What kind of meals would you like to try?
I tried the coffee meets. It's it's when you take a coffee, take a little cake, take a little cookies, and say
Question 5. What
about
entertainment activities would you like to participate in? Why?
I would like participating in some sports activities and play some games activities like Monopoly or Uno. It's interesting.